The first step is to verify if you have virtualization support enabled on your computer. To do so, run the following command. Take note of the output. If it's greater than 0, then virtualization is enabled and you can safely continue. But in case it's not, you need to enable virtualization by heading over to your computer's BIOS. Now that you're sure about the virtualization support, it's time to install the necessary packages for KVM. But first, update existing packages on your system using this command. Then, run the following command to install all KVM-related packages. Enter Y when prompted for confirmation. Start the libvirtd service with this command. Enable the service so it automatically starts at boot. Check if libvirtd is currently running using the status command. The output should display the active running status in green. If it shows inactive dead, issue the systemctl start command again. Next, you need to make some changes to the libvirtd configuration file located at this location. Open the file using Vim or your preferred text editor. Locate and uncomment the following two lines by removing the pound character from the beginning. Save the changes and exit. Next, add your user to the libvirt group with this command. Restart the libvirtd service to save the changes. Now you're ready to create a KVM on your Arch Linux system.